Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this video is posted today, but this was Sunday. Me and Sydney sitting at home watching church on TV, chilling. We always play in each other's hair, and I was just rubbing her locks, going through and making sure they're not tangling and marrying each other. So I decided to make this video of things you need to know before starting your lock journey, because me and Sydney, we've done a lot of research. We talked to my family members. They have had locks for almost 15 years, one 7 years, the other, she just cut hers off. She had them for a long time. But I have a lot of knowledge about locks, even though I'm thinking about getting some, but I do have a lot of knowledge. But I just want to let you guys know some things you need to know before you get locks. First, I think you need to know your hair texture. Knowing your hair texture will always allow you to choose what method to start your locks. And there's different methods to start. The most common is comb locks, comb coils, two-strand twists, braids, interlocking, and instant locking. And you always want to know that when choosing your locks, the parting matters. Look at Sydney's scalp clean because of my products that I use on hair every day. If you want to know what products I use on her hair, the link will be in my description box. But anyway, back to what I was saying. So parting matters, knowing your hair texture, then the parting. Parting can influence the look of your locks when matured. Most go for square or brick layers. Thinner hair can go for like diamond parts, because those diamond parts can basically make your hair look like it's fuller, like you have a full head of locks. And the section size also influences the size of your locks. So smaller sections will provide smaller locks. Larger sections will produce larger locks. So small parts, small sections, big parts, big sections. Another thing you need to know is your hair density. Your hair density determines the fullness of locks. Don't be surprised, okay? If you have low density hair, you will always have thinner locks. If you have high density hair, your locks are going to be thicker. This cannot be changed by any method that you do to your hair, because this is the way your hair grows out your head, like your hair strands, how many grows out. It can't be changed. Even though if you will add hair, your hair still grows a certain way. So this can't be changed by any means unless you're going to add fake hair or human hair, like bundles to your hair. But every time your hair grows, or every time you go for a retwist, no matter how long you go, you're going to have to add that, but that's not likely. And here's Sydney's locks. The density, it can be different from the back of her hair right now. She has thick locks. They're thicker, but on the sides, she has like low density, so they're smaller. And then that's another thing. You have to know the stages of your lock. And plus, Sydney has some relaxed hair in there too. So we're not going to know how Sydney's hair is going to turn out for a while until they start maturing. Right now, she's in her starter lock phase. It's some budding coming out. That's what I was showing you guys when I'm holding my hand. She has some budding. But her hair is still in the starter lock and budding phase. But you got to know the lock stages. Your hair will not look the same throughout the entire process. And that is my Super Growth Hair Oil. It's helping Sydney's hair grow. We put it on there, and as you can see, Sydney, I'm going to show you, she has no build up in her hair at all because it's lightweight. I use lightweight oils, and her scalp is great. because if you use like those thick and heavier products, it attracts dirt and lint. And you'll see that I will kind of unravel her hair to show you guys that she does not have buildup in her hair. Okay, so your hair will not look the same throughout the entire process. It will change. That's why it's called a journey. Your hair will change. And another thing is you have to embrace the frizz. Me and Sid personally, we love the frizz. We embrace the frizz. Sydney likes her hair to appear big, so she accepts it and she loves it. Some people don't like the frizz. They think they gotta go and get their hair done every 2 weeks. That is not a good thing. You have to know your hair. That's a big thing with locks. People don't know their hair and they expect the loctician, even though if you get a master loctician, they're not going to know everything about your hair. So know your hair. And then I would say find a master loctician. These master locticians, they are educated, and once you know everything about your hair, know the steps, the method, the density, you go research people, go on TikTok, go on YouTube, go on Instagram, find people that are doing the locks that you like. And don't have hair envy, and don't be delusional thinking if you have 4C hair, you're going to have that different hair that 3B people have, or 3A, or no. Know your hair. Look at people who have for inspiration with your same hair texture, your hair density. That's me unraveling Sydney's hair to show you guys that she does not have buildup, even though she only has 2 washes in 3 months, I believe. Her loctician washes her hair. But this is why I said know your hair, always take care of your hair, because I think because the way the bowl is when you're getting your hair washed, the loctician is not really, I don't want to blame it on her, but you need extra care in the back of your hair. I'm going to show you right now, because Sydney wears a lot of hoodies and it can get build up lint right there, and I don't want to mess up her hair. I don't know how to get that out. It's build up, she sweats and it gets locked into her hoodie. She works out, so that first row of locks, it has the buildup, and I have to tell the loctician to pay extra attention to that area. So just be fully immersed in locks and lock journeys and lock care and the way you want your locks to look, and density and your texture and the stages and frizz. And they call it the ugly stage, but there is no ugly stage when you know what to expect with locks. And that is my hair oil that you can use on your locks, or natural hair. It's hair growth oil. It's linked down in the description box. And I just thank you all for watching, and have a blessed day.